In those days, Caesar Augustus issued a decree that the census should be taken of the entire Roman world, and everyone went to his town to register. So Joseph also went up from the town of Nazareth in Galilee to Bethlehem, the town of David, because he belonged to the house and line of David. He went there to register with Mary, who was pledged to be married to him and was expecting a child. While they were traveling, the time came for the baby to be born, and she gave birth to her firstborn, a son. She wrapped him in clothes and placed him in a manger because there was no room for them in the inn. And there were shepherds living out in the fields nearby, keeping watching over their flocks at night. An angel of the Lord appeared to them, and the glory of the Lord shone around them. Do not be afraid. I bring you good news of great joy that will be for all people today in the town of David. A Savior has been born to you. He is Christ the Lord. born in Bethlehem in Judea, wise men from the east came to Jerusalem. The wise men asked, "Where is the one who has been born the King of the Jews? We saw his star in the east and have come to worship him." Jesus is the King for all people, and one day every knee will bow before him. They went on their way, and the star they had seen in the east went ahead of them, until it stopped over the place where the child was. Opened their treasures and presented him with gifts of gold, frankincense, and myrrh. All this took place to fulfill what the Lord had said through the prophet Isaiah: "The virgin will be with child, and will give birth to a son, and they will call him Emmanuel," which means God with us.